Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to add a battery level menu in your car's informations. Okay, so to do this, first thing that you need to have active is the hidden green menu. Basically, to access that with your ignition on, engine it's no need to be running, press these two at the same time and hold. In my case, for example, this will not appear because it is not active. So this is the way to access it, but first you need to activate it. So you need an interface, obviously with its related software, and you need to go to select and go to the control module 5F. After this has connected, go to adaptation, which is 10 here, and you need to go to channel 6. Probably you can directly write the number, but I'm looking through my phone and I cannot see that. In the stored value you can see this test mode is inactive because we have a 0 here. Now we need to put this to 1. That means it will be active. It says this right here, and at this point save. Are you sure? Yes. And now we can actually read the value. Stored value is 1. So we change it from 0 to 1 and now it's active. Close controller, go back. And at this point you can restart this if you want directly, or just remove the contact. Okay, and now let me see. And we are in the hidden menu. We go down to car, car device list, and we go down, and it's not here. Fail, sorry about that. Car extended device list. Yep, here it is. Battery. So we check it by pressing on this. You actually make that white. Return, and down in car menu operation at battery, press and rotate until you get a 5 here. Then you can press and then return. And at this point you need to reset this thing, this, and this, and it reset it. So first press this, second this, and third this, and it's resetting. Okay, we are back, and if we go lower you can see here battery level, and it's at 50% because I've been tinkering with the car a whole lot today. So yep, this thing is actually working. Normally it should be at 100%. So this has been it, guys, for this video. Thank you for watching. Hopefully it helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.